because of high level of industrial activities, vehicle emission and other pollutants.
Oh my God, Ali, what will happen with us in the future if we will live in this smoky environment?
We must think seriously about the solutions to get rid of this environmental issue.
For this, we have a special performance lined up for you all. Our talented students of Al Sami campus are here to perform a skit that sheds the light on the pressing issue of smoke and the solutions we can adopt to fight with it.
So, let's put our hands together to welcome them on the stage. Thanks.
Good morning, class.
Good morning, sir.
I need your attention today because we have an important topic to discuss. I'm sure you've all noticed that the air has been feeling a little heavy lately. Have any of you experienced difficulty in breathing or irritation in your eyes while outside?
Yes, I felt like my throat was sore this morning while walking to school.
Yes, Saad, you're right. That's because of something called smog. Smog is a type of air pollution caused by the combination of smoke, fog, and other pollutants in the air.
So, smog is a type of pollution? How does it happen?
Yes, exactly. Smog happens when pollutants from cars, factories, and even burning waste mix with fog, creating a thick, dirty air layer. It becomes harmful, especially when it lasts for a long time.
Wait, so we're breathing in this polluted air? Isn't it dangerous?
Yes, it can be. Smoke can cause various health issues like breathing problems, asthma attacks, and even long-term lung damage if we're exposed to it for too long.
But what exactly causes smog?
Good question. Smog is caused by several things. Here are a few major contributors. Exhaust from cars and vehicles, pollutants released from factories and industries, the burning of waste and garbage, cutting down trees which help clean the air.
Is there anything, sir, we can do to reduce this smog?
Yes, there are several solutions that we as individuals and as a society can adopt. Here are a few. Use public transportation or carpool to reduce vehicle emissions. Plant more trees, as trees absorb carbon dioxide and help clean the air. Reduce waste, burning by recycling and disposing of trash properly.
Now that we know the causes and effects, let's all do our part. I will talk to my family about using public transportation more often and recycling.
I can start planting more plants at home. They help the environment and look nice too.
Respected audience, the sound of the tree falling is not just a sound, it's the cry of the dying soul. Please listen to the cry of the dying soul. Thanks.
मुझसे है सांसों की तुझ में रवानी, मैं ना रहा तो रहेगा न पानी। मुझसे है सांसों की तुझ में रवानी, मैं ना रहा तो रहेगा न पानी। मैं तेरा हिस्सा हूँ, तू मेरा हिस्सा है, मुझसे ही तू जिंदा है। ना काटो मुझे दुखता है, ना काटो मुझे बड़ा दुखता है। बड़ा दुखता है, दुखता है। ना काटो मुझे दुखता है। समझ ही न पाया, था मैं हरा फिर भी काटा गया, तुझको नजर भी न आया, मैंने दिया तुमको फल फूल छाया, तू तो समझ ही न पाया, था मैं हरा फिर भी काटा गया, तुझको नजर भी न आया। निर्मोहिया है तू बेशर्म है, होता न शर्मिंदा है, ना काटो मुझे दुखता है, ना काटो मुझे बड़ा दुखता है। मुझको बचा ले रे दुनिया जहां, चाहूं मैं सबका भला, हर हाथ से एक पौधा नया लग जाए फिर और क्या, मुझको बचा ले री दुनिया जहां, चाहूं मैं सबका भला, हर हाथ से एक पौधा नया लग जाए फिर और क्या, थोड़ी सी मिट्टी थोड़ा सा पानी तेरा इसमें क्या लगता है, ना काटो मुझे दुखता है, ना काटो मुझे बड़ा दुखता है, मैं तेरा हिस्सा हूँ तू मेरा हिस्सा है, मुझसे ही तू जिंदा है, ना काटो मुझे दुखता है, ना काटो मुझे बड़ा दुखता है, हाँ, दुखता है, हाँ, दुखता है, ना काटो मुझे दुखता है।
Audience, let's not be the generation that destroys the plant. Let's be the generation that saves it. In this way, we can serve something positive in society by having fair intention, hard work, and we can get prayers of others. It's a great honor for me to invite our worthy chairman of Britain Group of Schools and Colleges, Sir Javed Iqbal, to join us on the stage for the inauguration of our plantation activity that is held by the students of Al Sami campus. Please, sir, join us on the stage.
Wonderful. A very beautiful and a very unique idea is being presented by the students of Al Sami campus on the stage of Arts Council. Everyone sitting in this hall is facing the problem of smoke. How it can be reduced is one, through plantation of more and more trees, inshallah. I would request Ma'am Sobia Khalil kindly please join us on the stage.
ऑडियो बहुत कम है, कितना करें? ऑडियो कम है बहुत। ऑडियो फुल है इसका। ये तो बंद है। इधर से ऑडियो ओके।